Hi everyone, this is Shiza and welcome to our channel Air Cargo Update. Today is Mr. Ashik Subahani from Sea Delta Marine with us. Hi sir, welcome to our channel.
Hi, thank you so much for this opportunity.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. You spare some time for us. So I would like to ask you a few questions sir, regarding your company's strategic vision for the next few years in the tug and salvation industry.
We Delta Marine, it's a marine offshore oil and gas consultancy. We are based in Dubai. We have office in Abu Dhabi, Kuwait, India. We have office in Mumbai, Kochi and Kolkata. And we have a team of about 85 people, includes all naval architects, structural piping, mechanicals, the full design team with all softwares. And we are working on quite a number of projects in the Middle East as well as India and Europe as well. And we are working on tugboats actually. We are designing, we did some tugboat for a Middle East-based client, and now we are working with some clients in India, especially San Marine actually. We are working on some sustainable tugs. We are also looking at the hybrid option. That's actually, start looking at alternative fuels, how we can implement that on the tugs, like most modern tugs with highly technological, like highly digitalized tugs. This is what we are looking to, we are aiming for. Highly sustainable, modernized, digitalized tug. That is the new era, new development, and high efficiency tug as well. So this is how we are doing the studies, and we are developing designs accordingly, coping up the requirement of various markets worldwide, especially India.
So how do you see, sir? I mean, you are just talking about digital tugs. So what is the idea and what is the vision of that? I mean, how we can just...
because it's a digitalization area. People like to control everything from home or from the office. So in such a scenario, because everything like doing everything manually, this is something not feasible actually. It's like we have to look at how the technology, the advanced technology, AI technology, artificial intelligence technology, how it can be utilized in the operational aspects of the tax. It's not only the machinery side, control side, everywhere actually.
It is just how it works.
It's a complete full area we can actually
cover. Yeah.
That's how it is actually ongoing like that. It's a tugs, even future tugs you can see that the bigger capacity tugs fully operated remotely from the office. That's the future.
That's something very interesting. Yeah.
Coming in that direction. That's the technology. That's how technology is advanced.
So how is your company preparing for future challenges and opportunities?
Absolutely, like a lot of R&D is required, especially on developing this kind of vessels. So continuously, the part of the team actually, like they are actually expert and they are postgraduate and doctorate and people like PhD graduates and all that. And the team is actually working on R&D side. So because we have developed that, and it's a new technology, we want to implement this technology to the market, and market should understand and they should digest it, and we should feel that this is something good for the industry.
Exactly.
Operationally, I mean, we can say so many technology aspects, modernized thing, but to be honest, they will really accept it if it's commercially feasible.
Yeah, and it is accepted globally.
Then if it's commercially, once you go it commercially feasible, then it's a go. That's
win-win situation. How do you address environmental concerns? Because this is pretty much, it causes, I would say pollution also. So how do you consider that environmental concern and sustainability in your companies? I mean, as a VR.
Yeah, see, that's again like everybody's the 2030, 2040, 2050, different targets are actually set up. Carbon emission is one of the key.
Green
fuel. Carbon emission is one of the major topic under discussion with all ship owners, full industry. So this is something like everybody is focusing.
Yeah.
That's why we are going for hybrid. Other options, people are looking at hydrogen as fuel, methanol as fuel. A lot of alternative fuel.
Working for different segments,
LNG fuel, all these aspects people are actually looking at. And there are technologies developing, all these options are available. In fact, we are also developing a separate team to utilize hydrogen fueled vessels also, and we are also prepared some designs for some passenger craft with hydrogen fuel. So we are looking at implementing that. We have some tie-up with some Canadian companies, in fact, on utilizing hydrogen fuel for our tugboats, utility, small vessels actually, not the big vessels, small vessels. So that study and implementation of those things, some prototype studies and all its stuff is ongoing from our side.
Okay. It's nice to, know, so it's pretty much interesting also. Like you are also leaning and think for greener options and zero emission. So thank you for your time, sir, and it's pretty much knowledgeable to talk to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I also enjoyed the talk. Thank you.